UPR's 2011 to present 6.4 liter Dodge HEMI Challenger and Charger catch can. I'm going to unbox this real quick for you. You can see it comes wrapped to make sure it's fully protected during shipping. Comes with a hardware bag with your fittings needed to connect it, your billet hose ends, and the bolt for mounting. Catch can is also wrapped in a bubble-lined envelope. We also attach the hoses now to make it easier and to eliminate confusion as to which hose goes where. So this is going to go to your vacuum port. This is going to go to the PCV. You're going to connect your hoses by putting the hose end collars on first, then putting the billet adapter fittings in, and of course installing the bolt. Catch cans are easily drained by rotating the cup and opening it. It's high quality O-rings, and UPR's billet diffuser is inside. Just close the cup up and snug it to the O-ring. That's all you need to do. That's UPR's 6.4 liter 2011 present Z bracket catch can.